y'all, what's up? This is Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to John Wick 2. So I recently watched the first John Wick, that was late last year, and so now with the release of John Wick 4 coming out, decided to watch 2 and 3. I'm gonna be reacting to 3 after this one. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. So unlike last time, this time I'm gonna look at the cast list and see who's in the movie, because last time I was shocked by William Dafoe being in it. Let me see here. It says Laurence Fishburne, John Leguizamo is back, Ian McShane is back. Also see here Ruby Rose and Common. This description says retired super assassin John Wick's plans to resume a quiet civilian life are cut short when Italian gangster Santino D'Antonio shows up on his doorstep with a gold marker, compelling him to repay past favors. Okay, cool. There's a little bit more in there about Winston and Continental, but I'm not gonna read that. So he tries to go back to civilian life, but didn't work out for him, and so he's back in the game. Alright, so let's get into it. John Wick 2. Oh, this is how the first movie ended. Like a similar shot. Oh, that's interesting. They played on the side of the building what that was actually happening right there. Oh, damn. Is this John Wick? Or is this the antagonist? It looks like John's car. Why does he have a nameplate for himself? It's not like he's running a legitimate business here or something. I don't know. Anyway. I just want to feel some kind of importance. Something like that. Maybe. Who knows?
So with all due respect, are you sure this is our best option? I mean, why can't we just correct the problem?
Because my fucking nephew killed a dog. A car which currently is among our inventory. So not just a car.
It's who it belongs to.
John Wick's killed my nephew. My brother. Does he know my man? You think it will stop now?
He will not.
Why don't we just eliminate it?
If it was that easy. Come on, bro.
Man of focus.
Ew. Oh.
Killed 3 men in a bar with
The pencil, yeah.
fucking pencil.
Yeah, a pencil. Exactly.
I can assure you that the stories you hear about these men, if nothing else, has been watered down.
I believe it. That's a cool shot. That just looks so weird. These taxi cabs going after this guy in the car. Nice. I don't know, I think the location being wet adds a little zing to it, you know? A little spice. Oh. Ramen again? Mm. Ugh. Blood. Blood fire. Yo. Yeah, of course. Good decision. Don't fight him, shoot him. I agree, John. I agree. Are both of those for him or okay, he's sharing it. Interesting. I bet you feel so relieved. Poor car, he was struggling. It's been through a lot. Oh, that was nice that they didn't strip the car yet. Oh yeah, was there wondering last time if that necklace would play any part? It did not.
Well, the motor's about to fall out, and the chassis is all bent up. The drive shaft is all destroyed. And I don't know if you noticed, but you got a crack in your windshield.
Yeah, just a small crack. Very small crack.
Let me know when he's
All right. They'll be ready Christmas 2030.
As we know, that's gonna be a mistake. He's gonna need to break that thing open again. Right now? Is it right now?
Listen, John. Don't say it. I'm asking.
But he's gonna do it anyway.
America is losing religion. For a man to try to market to another is to find his soul. Rodolfo, the home is the country. I can't help you.
But you will.
We have a bit of a home, John.
Oh, Ruby Rose. Do you not have sprinklers, John? I would think this would be something you'd have implemented. I don't know. Is this the cop from the first movie? Yeah, it is.
You working again? I'll see you, Jimmy.
That's a yes.
Mr. Wick is coming through to see us.
Huh? Lance Reddick just recently passed.
What does he want you to do? Didn't ask.
Yeah, I was gonna say, he didn't ask.
Two rules that cannot be broken, Jonathan. No blood on continental grounds, and every marker must be honored. Now, my judgment comes in the form of excommunicado, the high table. Demand a more severe outcome if their traditions are refused.
High table. Interesting.
Choice.
That's what it looks like.
You die, you kill the hold of the mark, you die. You run, you die. Until then. Rules.
Rules.
Rules. Without them, we live with the animals.
Exactly. You gotta have rules to maintain the assassin society. Who knew? Who knew?
Does he have a name, sir?
Everyone keeps asking if the dog has a name. I get why he doesn't want to give the dog a name yet. Cause the last dog died like so soon. You gotta give it a little bit of time, give it a little bit of time for it to life to happen. Okay, that's a thorough check. I'm pretty sure that was probably awkward on set.
How would you do it? With moments back. His cane. Maybe his glasses. My hands.
Oh, personal. Okay, cool.
I want you to kill my sister.
Okay.
Right to us.
She has one.
Take this from me. Me and my cousin. What's that?
Kill the sister, but you still love her. Oh, what a thing.
Very much for you, Mr. Wick.
Oh yeah, okay. They know each other for a while. That's the only reason you could feel comfortable saying that to him.
I failed to recall the last time we were away.
Okay, so they have a continental in New York and a continental in Rome. He did retire.
I have a conquest.
Why are you back?
Sei qui per il Santo Padre. Enjoy your stay.
Okay, Julius must be the Winston of this version of the Continental.
Magari ha bisogno di un abito nuovo.
I am.
I know of your past fondness for the German varietals, but I can wholeheartedly endorse the new breed of Austrians. Glock 34 and 26.
This is the original mark of the D'Antonio estate. Here you have all the ancient ruins.
This is a company laminates cutting-edge body armor. We just sew it between the fabric and the lining. Zero penetration. However,
Quite painful, I'm afraid.
Oh yeah, I'd expect so.
Textured grips, should your hands get wet.
With blood? Why is Ruby Rose following him? Unfortunately, I saw something came up on the screen while I paused it earlier about that he gets betrayed by his sponsor. So I'm assuming the sponsor is Antonio, whatever his name, Antonio. And so Ruby Rose is the following him to take him out. But she fails, or I don't know. Or she thinks she succeeds, or I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Suit it up. Ooh, that's a cool shot. We saw her in the reflection of the mirror. Nice, me gusta. Or maybe she's just following him to ensure that he gets the job done. I don't know. Oh, come on. This is where he shows up. Ooh, that's cool.
There was a time not so long ago in which I considered us as friends.
But I got a job to do.
And what was her name? This woman whose life is ended.
Why she say it so? Is she gonna get... Okay, yeah. She's getting naked. Okay. Interesting. Is she gonna throw that at him? Oh, she's gonna try to... Ugh! She wants to die her own way. Intriguing. Very intriguing. I guess he still has to shoot. Okay. Still at the shooter. I don't know what to say to that.
Good night. Afraid so. I'm sorry to hear that.
Not gonna lie, that was cool. That was cool. That was very cool. Ooh! Ugh. Yeah. Kind of weird, cause I'm pretty sure whoever's here can hear your footsteps.
Makes sense.
I guess she is there to kill him. Okay. It happened early enough in the movie for it not to be a big deal that I was spoiled by Netflix. Ugh. Okay, now I see why you did that. Man, John is smart. Experience. Oh, you. That was quick, that was quick. He was like so quick to. Somebody bet. The blood splatter. The blood splatter, man, the blood splatter. Okay, I'm gonna assume that she is mute. Or deaf. One of the two. I don't know, John, you're walking a bit too... As I'm say it. I was like, yo, he's walking a bit too out and open for that.
Having a good night, are you, John?
Ugh. Painful. Ooh.
Gentlemen.
Continental grounds.
May I suggest a visit to the bar so you can calm yourselves.
Jim, wasn't it?
Yes. Hurt. Right.
Yeah.
What an interesting system. He did not. Had no choice at all. Not really. They still have a hit on him. He is not. You are not John. Exactly. I think John has something to say about that. Exactly. I'll make it quick. Come on, bro. Oh, there she is in the background. Yeah, so he's got two people after him. Rough life, John. But Cassian and this Ruby Rose, I don't know who she's playing. After him. Wild. But that's the life.
Hello, John. I understand if you're upset. And I know it might feel personal. But what kind of man would I be if I didn't arrange my sister's marriage?
John.
Man, a few words, like you said. That phone hang up. Told you what you needed to know, Santino.
Open.
Denomination
everything. Please hold.
Okay, so it's putting all the hit on John Wick.
The marker is over.
Mark, Mr. Wick isn't liberated. He soon will be.
Market.
Sir?
I don't think Winston cares. He just wants this done. He has a job to do. He's doing the job.
You have no idea what's coming.
I had everyone in New York looking for him. I doubt he was home again.
So you think, brother?
He was already back.
He came back for love, not for you.
He owed me. I had every right.
And now, he's coming again. He tell you not to do this. He did warn you.
He did? It's your own fault what happens to you. It's your own fault. Ugh. With a pencil? Yo, that pencil scene was crazy, bro. The pencil. Okay. Now we see how he killed the 3 people with the pencil. Okay, I did see that clip on Twitter, but I know I get it, what the context is in the movie. The genital thing. Yikes, yikes, yikes. How is this gonna work? Ooh.
You pull it out, you bleed, and you will die. Consider this a professional courtesy.
Imagine you're on the train, the last stop, and you say that. You know what's wrong when you after them come out. Whew.
Take me to him.
You know, they put it in everything. Hey man, you gotta call
Wow. That was cool. Beautiful. This gonna be Laurence Fishburne that he's gonna see. I like that shot with the water and the bridge and the reflection. Nice, nice, very nice. Yep, I was right, Laurence Fishburne.
We met and you gave me a gift. The gift that would make me a king.
What's that?
But you also gave me a choice. Pull my gun, shoot you in the back and die, or keep the pressure on my neck and live. $7 million? Damn! It's Christmas. We're going to Applebee's after this. Yes, John, whatever you like, John. Would you like a back rub with that, John? We're going to help you.
Oh, why is he?
Fuck would I do that?
Exactly.
Because I'm the only one that can help you. So I guess you have a choice. You want to live, or do you want to just give me a gun?
That's a good way to put it, John. War, or just help this guy out.
Somebody, please get this man a gun.
Good choice. My head went back when, yeah, that was interesting. I always appreciate when he throws the gun. I know it's a little bit like so silly, you know. So cool when they did the trick. Yeah, when they did the trick with the gun, that was cool. So a lot of cool moments, and just great visuals, great little tricks. I appreciate it.
Killing me will stop the contract. Killing me will make it so much worse.
I think he knows that. Pretty sure John knows.
You wanted me back. I'm back.
Hey. You got what you wanted, Santino. I don't know why I'm calling him Antonio. Oh! That's the last time you see her. Man, maybe she busts through like the door or something like that. Okay. Asha? Okay, interesting. Hey, equal opportunity killer. That's what he is. Yep, in hell.
Man can stay here a long time and never eat the same meal twice.
Jonathan, just walk away.
Yeah, Jonathan.
Oh boy, John.
What have you done?
Finished.
No, you have not.
It has been a pleasure, Mr. Wick. Goodbye.
The Camaro's double Santino's open contract has gone international. I take it. You killed a man on company grounds, Jonathan, and leave me no choice but to declare you excommunicado. The doors to any service or provider in connection with the Continental are now closed to you. Your life is now forfeit. Then why am I not dead? Because I deemed it not to be.
Oh wow. Everyone here is an assassin.
You have 1 hour. Can't delay it any longer. You might need this.
Tell them. Tell them all. Whoever comes, whoever it is,
Yeah.
kill them.
Oh boy.
Kill them all. Of course you will.
He will. For real.
Accounts payable. 1 1 1 1 1 in 1 hour. John Wick. Excommunicado.
Oh boy. Oh, what an end to the movie. Alright, so that was John Wick Chapter 2. I would say it's about on par with the first one. Maybe better, maybe kind of worse. I'm not sure yet. I have to live with it a little to see how I feel, but I guess because I'm used to the first one. That what happened in this one didn't really shock me so much, except remember the scene with the pencil. Yeah, that was good. That was the best. That was the best part for me. Like seeing, I won't say the best part. That was the most intense part for me. Yeah, but see. Oh, something I realized. I did see that final scene in the movie before. I don't know where or why or what for, but I did see where Winston told the people, yo, no, to the guy, yo, and he said no, and then everybody stopped, and it was given, and then John Wick said he'd kill everybody. Pretty sure I saw that somewhere before. I didn't remember until I saw it a while ago. Yeah, so that's kind of weird. That I saw it, I didn't remember it, and then so I knew how the movie ended, but I didn't know how the movie ended. That's kind of weird to experience. But anyway, let's keep this short. Action scenes top notch. I'd say some of the scenes were better than the first one. Story, what we have here is John links up with the other Russians. You say, yo, I got my car, let's call a truce. And they say, bam, bing, bam, they're done, seal it. Santino comes back, he gives him the marker, and then John has to kill Gianna, kills Gianna. Santino puts a hit out on him with his people. That fails, and then Santino puts an open contract in New York, and so John has to kill these people, as well as the people from Cassian, who was Gianna's what was that, like a bodyguard? Yeah. And so John kills these people. He gives Cassian a choice: pull out this thing and die, or leave it in and get some help. So, professional courtesy. We'll see. I'm not sure. I don't know if Common shows up in any of the movies. I would assume so. Cause we didn't really see him die, so I'd assume that he's still alive and he'll show up again to try and kill John, since John at the end. Let's give it the end, right? So John is struggling. He seeks out from Laurence Fishburne's character, who tells the tale of John giving him a choice about try to kill me or keep the pressure in your neck and live. You keep the pressure in his neck and live. John gives him a choice, another choice again: war, or you give me a gun. So John gets the gun, fights Santino, kills all these people, but Santino gets away, and so Santino seeks safe ground at the Continental. Oh, good to interesting to know. Wait, when I'll get back to it. So Santino is there, smoking everything. John kills him. Winston says, yo, I'm giving, and then meet up later. Winston says, yo, I'm giving an hour, and you were excommunicated then. You broke the rules. You know, there are 2 rules, and then bam, movie ends. It's a simple story. Now that I think about it, I just said it like very quickly, but it was very effective. So we realized that we get deeper into this world of these hitmen, mercenaries, assassins. Know that there's a high table with 12 spots. You need some people: Russians, Camorra, Mafia. I don't catch all the names he listed, but it's an international thing. Santino, sister Gianna, she was gifted the position she was bequeathed the position by their father. Santino wanted the position, so he used America to take the position. What happened is John had used America to get Santino's help earlier when he wanted Altered Alive. And so he sought Santino's help there, and Santino wanted to pay back now to get the position at the table. And then double crosses John because, hey, he killed his sister, so. And it solidifies him in the eyes of the underworld and stuff. Right. So that was good to know. And then, right, I was speaking earlier. You see that Julius also is the manager of the Continental in Rome. So there's a New York branch, there's a Rome branch. There's probably other branches around the world. And so you see this little ecosystem that they have where there's, once you follow the rules, you retain your membership. You may die at any moment because you know it's a dangerous life, but you honor the marker and you follow the rules of the Continental with no blood spilled, and you're good. And the only way you'll be killed is if someone just decides to kill you, or you are part of a bodyguard team, or you're doing a hit or whatever. So, but at least you get some kind of safety. The rules are there for a reason. And yeah, you gotta have a little order in your little city on the world. I take it, I get it, I understand why. It's to give some nice little world building. It's not just because it explains why the Continental is allowed to be a safe haven. You mess up, you pay the price. And everybody knows it, everybody lives by it. If you break it, you get dealt with. And no exceptions. You might get a little favor, but hey, head start, which is John got, but they're coming after you. And so that was good. You break the rules, you die. And yeah, you live by the rules. So I can take it as I'm sure that will play out in the future movies. Because John Leguizamo's character, he has John's car. I don't know how that's gonna affect things. Well, the car's not finished yet. Is John gonna be able to access his car? Well, the dog who was not named for some reason, but I get why it's not named, because the death of the first puppy is still so fresh that you don't wanna name this dog unless you've had him for a while, so you know he's good with you. But yeah, it's good that Lance Reddick's character, the front desk person, he took care of the dog, so good for him. You can tell I don't really have a lot to say. It was very good experience, good watch. I'm now looking forward to chapter 3. I want to see how this progresses. I want to see how John handles being a pariah before he was in retirement. And yeah, I don't mind the way this story went, because you have to have a reason for John to be killing again. Originally, it was that his dog was killed and the car was taken. And now, in this movie, it was that the marker was there, completed the job, honored the marker, but then he was double crossed, and so he had to kill to do that. But then he broke the rule. One of the big two rules: no killing on continental grounds. He's now excommunicated. No assistance. He only has assistance from the senior set of folks, I'm assuming. People who will double cross him. Or yeah. So I want to see how that goes. If you can't tell, it's been like an hour or so since I watched this. I'm calm, I'm chill, I'm able to give a reason. Idea of what I liked. Did I dislike anything? No, not that I can think of. No, I might say it later and type it or do a voiceover and thing, but I don't really think of anything I disliked about this movie. It is what it is. It was in the vein of the first one, so nothing that it distracted the first one or anything like that, so I can't really have any negatives. I knew what it was gonna be. I knew what it was gonna be. It delivered what it was gonna supposed to be, and so I'm fine with that. And so looking forward to 3. Wanna see what add to it, if they're gonna do anything different. But I realized that it's the same director and cinematographer. I'm assuming it's gonna see some nice little shots that I commented on. So hopefully that continues. Instant angles, like fight choreography, all that. Hope that continues at the same level, maybe better. I don't know, we'll see. Looking forward to that. And those are my thoughts. Goodbye.